17th?
No, I didn't.
The 16th.
Can't do it. Daddy,
What? What?
Daddy, can't do it. Daddy, can't do it.
You can't do it?
No, you said Gaggy gotta do it.
Oh, Gaggy has to do it? What happened?
When you fell. The back.
What is that? A taxi?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
We going downtown.
What?
Taxi.
Taxi?
Mm-hmm. Going downtown. Taxi.
It's going down.
Uh-huh.
What's Gracie doing?
Downtown.
What's Gracie doing?
Daddy, fishing.
He's fixed it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, Zoda. Zoda. I'm doing.
I always just skip my math exam.
Huh?
I always just skip my math exam.
When is it? You said it ends on the 16th, right?
Okay.
What, the term? No, I said started.
That's when Shalana's kids are on spring break.
Term break
He
is
what?
officially Tuesday the 10th, or April 10th. The 9th is a makeup day, so I probably will have to go to that.
Taxi hiding!
Taxi's hiding. Where is he at?
Outside.
What?
Outside.
On the shed?
Huh?
Go get him.
No.
Where is he?
Hiding.
Hiding. Go get
So
him.
they start spring break the 16th?
Go say
That's not gonna
peekaboo.
work out.
Peekaboo.
Go tell him.
I don't want to go there with
Peekaboo.
them when they're not on spring break.
Look up Amber's spring break.
It doesn't matter.
Yes, it might.
How does it matter? She does work online.
Yeah, well then we spend the whole vacation doing work all day. She'll still have to do it. Marcus, where's the taxi?
It's up.
Oh, I see him.
Did you ever scan that thinking work?
No. I see it.
See it. See Mom? See Mom.
See, Mom?
Uh-huh. Huh?
What's your name?
No.
Who's that?
Mom.
Who's that?
It starts April 2nd.
Oh,
Where's your Papa Bear?
where's a polar bear?
Where you go?
Is that the zoo?
April 2nd through the 7th. I'll be at school.
Where you go?
You will? With